Your external hard drive is empty, but space is still being used? That makes no sense, right? Is your data gone? Or just invisible? Wait, don't panic yet. Today, I'll show you how to bring them back step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful fixes like this. Hey guys, welcome back to 4DDig. If your drive shows occupied space but no files are visible, it means your data is likely still physically on the drive. The system just can't read or display it correctly. This can happen due to sudden disconnection, driver issues, unstable connection, or minor file system errors. So let's start with the simplest fixes first. Method 1. Connect to a different port. First, unplug your USB cable. Now check the cable carefully, look for bends or damage. If everything looks fine, plug it back in. But this time, try a different USB port. If possible, also test it on another computer. This will rule out any issues with the port itself. Method 2. Add or change drive letter. Now, let's check if Windows is simply not assigning a drive letter. This is very common after system updates or reconnecting drives. Right-click the Start button and open Disk Management. Find your external hard drive in the list. It may appear without a letter. Next, right-click the drive. Select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Then click Add or Change. Assign a new letter like GIA or FA and click OK. Then check File Explorer again. If your files still don't appear, don't panic, we go deeper next. Method 3. Show hidden files. Sometimes your files and folders can be hidden, either intentionally or due to a system error. But the good news is they're easy to unhide. Open File Explorer. Click View at the top. Then select Show. Check Hidden Items. Then go back to your external drive and see if your files appear. If your files are still missing, don't worry, your data is likely still on the drive. Method 4. Use 4DDig Data Recovery. At this point, it's best to recover your important files first before trying any further repairs. 4DDig is a professional tool that suits recovering accidentally deleted, corrupted, or maliciously hidden files from your external hard drive. So open 4DDig Data Recovery, select your external hard drive, and click Scan. You can choose to scan for all file types. Wait for the deep scan to run. You'll often start seeing files appear during the process. You can also use the search bar to quickly find specific files by name. Once the scan is complete, select the files you want to recover, click Recover, and make sure to save them to a different drive, not the same external hard drive. This is very important to avoid overwriting your data. Method 5. Run CHKDSK. If you've already recovered your files and still want to fix the drive, you can try repairing the file system. First, press Win plus RIA type key MD and run as administrator. Next, type this command: CHKDSK x/f/r. Replace X with your actual drive letter. Then, press Enter. Windows will now scan your drive, and it can fix file system errors. This may take a few minutes. Once finished, restart your PC. Then check your drive again. If you've successfully recovered all your important files and no longer need the old data on the drive, you can right-click the drive in File Explorer, select Format, choose NTFS, perform a quick format to reset it completely. There you go, everything you need to get those invisible files back. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Giveaway alert! I'm sending a free 4DDig trial link to the first 3 people who like and share on this video, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips. Bye!